In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Perplexity. If you've ever wanted to ask a question about a photo, a diagram, or a screenshot, adding an image to your prompt can make your request clearer and help you get more accurate answers. The process is quick, and once you've done it once, it'll feel second nature. First, open the Perplexity website in your preferred browser. Any modern browser works fine. Type the address in your URL bar and press enter to load the homepage. If this is a tool you plan to use often, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it without typing it in each time. When the page is open, look for the prompt box where you would normally type your question. Nearby, you'll see a small paperclip icon labeled Attach Files, usually on the side of the input field. On mobile, you might need to tap the prompt box to reveal the icons. Go ahead and click or tap the Attach Files icon to begin adding your image. Your device will open a file picker window so you can choose the image you want. Navigate to the folder where your picture is stored. This could be your desktop, downloads, pictures, or a specific project folder. If you don't immediately see the file, switch views between recents and the full directory, or use the search bar to type the file name. Perplexity works well with common image formats like JPG and PNG and often supports others like GF or WEBP. If a photo is in a less common format, consider exporting it to JPG or PNG for the smoothest experience. Click the image you want to upload to select it. If your system asks you to confirm, choose Open or choose to Proceed. A quick tip: clearer images lead to better results. If your picture includes text, make sure it's in focus and well lit. Avoid heavy glare or shadows and try to keep the important details centered. Large files generally work, but if you're using a very high-resolution image and it's slow to attach, reducing the file size can help. Back in Perplexity, you should now see a small thumbnail or the file name attached near the prompt area. That's your confirmation that the image has been successfully added and is ready to accompany your question. To recap, open the Perplexity website, click the Attach Files icon, then locate and select the image you want. That's all there is to it. With your image attached, you're set up for clearer, more context-rich queries.